Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to talk about the onboarding queries related to TCS, as there are many students who are waiting for their TCS joining, but from a long time they are not getting any response from the company. So we are also going to discuss that is it the first time when the TCS is taking so long to release joining letters, or this has been happened before too. So we are going to discuss all of these details in this video. But before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the latest notifications, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on my YouTube channel. So let's start with our today's discussion. So the discussion for today is, when can we expect the result of 2022 batch? So as many of you have also got your offer letters generated, but you have not heard anything about your joining from the company. So most of you have this doubt, which is the biggest doubt, that it has already been 2 months or it has already been 3 to 4 months for some students. They have not heard anything related to joining from the company. So how long they should wait, or should they move on, or what is the thing that they should do? Because you might have tried contacting to the support team, you must have not got any response from them, or if you have got the response, then they would have just mentioned that we are onboarding based on the project requirements. So in that case, what should you do? So we are going to discuss in this video. So will you get rejection mail after waiting for 2 months? Is it possible or not? That is we are going to discuss. And should you wait or move on to the next opportunity? What should you do? What should you do until you get the offer letter or you're joining? Maybe it might take 2 or 3 months more. So what should you do until that period? So let's start with our discussion first of all. So when can you expect the result of 2022 batch? So most probably the expected result for 2022 batch can be around up till March, because the company has a policy that they have to complete all the onboarding process at the end of financial year, which is around March or April. So it is a very high probability that you will get your joinings at before that time, but it is not fixed. So next is, will you get rejection mail after waiting for 2 months? So this is not at all a right thing. There is no reason for the company to give you rejection mail after waiting for 2 months. So if you have got your offer letter generated, then you will surely get your joining, because company don't reject students based without any proper reason. Okay, so you will definitely get your joining. Now, should you wait or should you move on to your next opportunity? So in my opinion, I would suggest you just keep on applying to all the companies, because this is a very high recession period of time which is going on, where every company is firing many employees, and they have also stopped their hiring. So you should not be totally dependent on one company, because you might not know how long the company will take for you to onboard, right? So in that case, what should you do is, you should try applying for other companies, and maybe you get shortlisted and get the joining of other company before the TCS only. So keep on applying. And so I want to give you a example that this is not the first time when it is happening that they are delaying the joining. So you can see that I have taken the screenshot of next step portal over here. So you can see that the candidate badge status, we get the candidate badge status where after that only we get our interview, right? So the candidate badge status is of 3rd of October 2021. Now once the interview is done, your offer letter will get generated. Once your offer letter will get generated, you will have different things like Explore program. You'll have your CPAs, where you can get your chance to avail 60,000 and all those things. And after that, you will get your joining letter, right? And after your offer letter, basically you will get your joining letter. So you can see the duration between the offer letter and the joining letter. So the offer letter was generated on 29th of November, whereas the joining letter generated was on 19/9/2022. So it is almost an year of gap which has taken place. So this is not the first time that TCS is taking so long time. It has already been happened in past many times, because they always say that we don't have project requirements, we hire students in batches. So all of those things matters. Also, if you are a final year student, there is a very less probability that you will get your joining before completing your final semester, right? So all of these things are to be taken care of. Now what should you do until you get your offer letter or joining letter? Because everyone is waiting, right? There is no option of doing anything. So I would suggest you don't sit just idle, because in this time you should upgrade yourself or upskill yourself. So what you can do is you can do some courses like related to web development. You can learn web development. If you are interested in coding, you can go into competitive programming, or if that is tough for you, what you can do is you can practice some basic data structures, so that once you join the company, after that when you will do your next switch, it will be very much beneficial for you. As we all know that service based company has a different work culture from the product based company, so it is always a very good practice, so that if we are already prepared beforehand, then it will be easier for us to switch after 1 or 2 years. So don't waste your time which you have now. Try doing learn new language like Python, or if you are interested in anything, just try to explore that. Okay, so these all are the updates for today. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. There are a lot of students who are in a similar situation of yours, and they can guide you and they can tell you what you have to do. Even if they have got your joinings. So join us on different social media platforms. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Also, if you can check the different videos which I have recently uploaded on my channel related to onboarding updates of different companies. If you have not checked that, make sure to check that too. If you have got the offer letters from different companies, then you might be waiting for the onboarding for those companies too. So you can check the updates of those videos also. And if you have not checked the playlist of my channel, I regularly upload interview preparation related videos on my channel of different companies. You can check that too and bookmark it in case you are preparing for the interviews. Thanks and all the best.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.